type play.google.com/console and press enter. As it is a personal account, click on Get Started under your Self section to create your Google Play Console account. I am John from Appio team. Today I'll explain to you how to create a Google Play Console account and verify it. Before diving into the account creation process, there is a bonus tip for app developers like you. At the end of this tutorial I'll reveal the secret of how to create mobile apps and games within few minutes. So watch this tutorial till the end. Okay friends, let's move on to the account creation process. Meanwhile, if you have any specific question, you can ask it in the comments section. I'll try to answer it. Let's begin. Open the browser and type play.google.com/console and press enter. As it is a personal account, click on Get Started under your Self section to create your Google Play Console account. If you have your personal website or social media profile and want to provide it to Google, you can provide its link here. Else you can opt out by selecting this checkbox. Now click on Next. You also need to mention about your Play Console and Android experience here. Now click on Next. On this page provide your contact name. Here provide your contact email address. Click on Verify email address. If you provide the same email ID, which you used to create Google Play Console account, it will be automatically verified. If you are using a different email ID, you have to verify it using the code received in the email from Google. Now select the preferred language for your developer account. Here you have to provide a developer contact address, including country, city, PIN code, state, etc. Here you have to provide the contact phone number. You must include the +, country code and area code if any. Click on Verify phone number. You'll receive the 6-digit code on your contact number. You can also choose Call me to verify by voice call. Type your 6-digit code here and click on Verify. Now click on Next. Oh, we forgot to provide the developer account name. Provide your desired developer account name here. It must not exceed 50 characters and must be unique. Now scroll down and click on Next. On this page you have to mention your app development plans. Here you have to mention number of apps you are planning to publish. If you are planning to use Appio App Builder, we recommend selecting more than 10, as developers on Appio usually create more than 10 apps in a day. Under the section, Earning Money on Google Play, select Yes. For how do you plan to earn money? Check Ads. You can also select the options relevant to your apps or games. For app category, select the options applicable to your apps or games. Or select none of the above, if your apps are not falling under any of these categories. Click on Next. On this page you have to read and accept the terms of Google Play Console. It is recommended that you read Google Play Developer Distribution Agreement and Google Play Console Terms of Services. Click both checkboxes to proceed. Keep in mind, to create your account you'll need to pay a one-off $25 registration fee. You may be asked to verify your identity using a valid ID to complete your account registration. Now, click on Create Account and Pay. Here, you have to add credit or debit card. You can pay the registration fee only by using a credit or debit card. No other payment options are available. Here you have to provide card details and cardholder details. Click on Save Card. Once your payment is approved by your banker or card provider, your developer account will be created. To log into your developer account, click on Go to Play Console. If your dashboard shows the notice to verify your identity, follow the next step. Click on Verify ID. You'll see the list of documents eligible for verification for your country of residence. Click on Begin Verification. Here, provide the legal name of the account owner. Select ID type. Upload front of ID. Upload back of ID. Both the images must be clear and readable. You can check the document upload guidelines provided in this link. We'll try to re-upload the documents, which follows the document upload guidelines. Documents are accepted now. Click Next. Here you have to enter your address, either what's on your ID or your permanent address. Now submit it. You'll see the notification that your verification is in progress. Now refresh the page. You'll see notice that your ID verification in progress. Usually this process can take from a few hours to 2 business days. Once your ID is verified, you'll be able to publish apps. Your Google Play Console account creation and verification process is complete. Now the time for your bonus tip. Okay, tell me, are you spending lots of time coding and debugging your app? You are not sure which types of apps to create for earning? Struggling to monetize apps? We have a solution for you. Our R&D team research and develop app and game templates with high earning potential. And also, you can create multiple apps using a single template. Moreover, it's completely free to create and monetize apps using our platform. What are you waiting for? Jump into the rally of online earners by registering yourself at app.appio.me. I have also mentioned the link in the description of this video tutorial. I hope you like the bonus tips. Wishing you a luck. Bye.